So good morning from Old Key West. I'm here, we're at Hospitality House. We're waiting for the ferry. It is 10:30. My understanding is it comes every 20 minutes. So it's every 20 minutes, so we have like a 10-minute wait. Ray and Ryder just went over to the community hall while we wait. Looks like we just missed the characters. Here's a little video. We saw the bus leaving of caravaning around the world, so it looks like there was characters here, but we just missed them. So, oh well. But anyway, we're headed over to Disney Springs. Supposedly Santa's there, and Ryder's really excited. So we'll do a little time at Disney Springs, come back, and then rest up for tonight for Jollywood Nights. So boat got here at 10:35. It's 10:38, and it's already full. So there's a family waiting. But yeah, right on time. So we're gonna try and do the Disney balloon. They had a Groupon, so I went ahead and purchased it. If you do look at the Groupon, you have to, it can't be purchased the same day. I purchased mine 2 days ago. So we just joined the virtual queue for Santa. We're group 15. It says 40 minutes, but it's already at groups 1 through 9. You have to be a certain, you have to be close within Disney Springs. So I was just refreshing until we got close enough. So we're still on the water. There's the balloon. We're gonna try and do that. So I gotta find out where Santa is first, and then but like I said, we bought tickets for the balloon as well. And it's just a gorgeous, gorgeous day.
Not sure what's wrong with you, but to each his own. That's what we're here. It's got you a long time.
So we got off at 10:57, so it was a 17-minute ride. He said 17 or 18 minutes, and he was right. We left right at 10:40, but the bus was full. I mean, the boat was full at 10:38. So make sure you're at the station or at the dock at least 5 minutes before, because there were some people that were late. And Ray said that they were all in the community hall waiting as well with him, but I was waiting at the dock, so I got in line as soon as it showed up. Unfortunately, that family got left. This is the line for security, and it's like not moving at all. This is a cool store. It's called the Art Corner. Very, very cool. These are so cool. Look at these. It's pretty cool. The spin art. I think they spin art experience $15, and I think they get on the bike to spin it. So there you see Visit Santa. And it's Once Upon a Toy by Walt Disney World. So here is where Santa is, right there. That's the queue. So you check in, just like you would when you check in a virtual queue. And then, so ours is, they're at 14, we're 15. So we're just basically standing around waiting for them to call 15. So it's run just like a regular virtual queue. You get the thing, a little QR code, and it says you have an hour to return. So you have an hour from when your group is called to return. So that's good. I brought our little Mickey Santa hats that we've had for a while. There you go.
Okay, ready? Put your hand down for now. Put your hand. Okay. We'll do one normal and then with the place sign. Look at the circle. Okay, now you can do with the peace sign. Okay. Thank you. Bye, Santa.
Good job. Bye, Santa. Thank you. Peace.
So that was great, super fast. Hopefully the pictures came out great. I love that Santa did peace with Ryder. So it is 11:40. We checked in at 10:50 on the boat, and it said 15 minutes. It was absolutely right. It was actually about a 45-minute wait and a 5-minute wait once we got inside. So I definitely recommend trying to come in the morning if you're coming to see Santa, because it was really super fast. So I'll post some of the pictures up now, and again, this video is probably going to go up. I'm going to try to get this video up before the rest of our trip. So this is the last day of our trip, but this will probably be the first video that goes up. So now we're in line for the Photopass. These are the ones that are featuring this month, and then
There's a holiday background too over there.
Put your legs together. This is $285,000. That's how much I sold my condo for. So good. We did the Photopass photos too, and now I don't have to do Christmas photos because we just did them. Yeah, so now we're by the World of Disney, so we've done a lot. And they're gonna head, he wants to head to the Lego store. And I'm gonna find out about the balloon. Hi, Brickley. That's Brickley. This is the first ever Brickley, and he is the mascot of Lego, and now he's at Lego stores all over the world. So here's where the line is for the Lego store. And hopefully it moves pretty fast. It's currently 12:02. Well, that's pretty cool. You get to do this while you're working?
Yeah.
That's awesome. That's a pretty cool job. So now we're in the Lego store, and we'll probably be here the rest of the day. We're doing the Who Are You? Prepare for scanning. Okay, look up. We want him to be Sonic. Oh, you're a clown!
Yeah, it's going to have a box come out, and then it's going to have a big printout of that image that we made.
Okay.
And then, yeah, inside the box is all the same, so you're going to get the big gray base plate. There's going to be 5 boxes of different colors. Absolutely.
There it goes. Ryder.
Ryder! Where's the box coming out?
Those are all the pieces for Ryder's thing. Very cool. Okay, very fun. And then this is the directions, I'm assuming, right?
Yep, so yeah, you just kind of follow along. So like 4 yellow, 6 black, 4 yellow.
So they basically poured all the pieces in the box already.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's pretty cool.
So there's 5 separate boxes, so they separate it by the color. So it makes it a little bit easier than having to like pick and find on this.
Okay. Well, this is what we get to do. Okay, fun times. Okay, thank you so much for your help. And I didn't realize the box was this big, so we get to carry this around the rest of the day. Fun times. Okay, so now we're headed to the Disney Aerophile. Hopefully it's not a wait. I had planned to go and check it out while he was in Lego store, but we all got turned around, so hopefully there's not much of a wait. And as you can see, it's already up right now. And here's the line for the cookies that I will never taste. So here it is. We don't know if those people are already ticketed or waiting or what. Hopefully it's not too much. It is 12:45. Also the line for Lego moved really fast. Like that line took like maybe 5 minutes tops. Here it comes down. So super quick, there was no people waiting. So the big group of people that I thought was waiting for here is not. We just missed one that went up. So they said it's about an 8-minute ride. So we're just sitting here waiting. Gonna wait for this one and then we'll be on the next one. So really fast. And there it goes up. That'll be up this. There we go. Yes. I'm terrified of heights and I am not scared to do this. So Ryder will be fine. Okay, here we go. You excited, Ryder? Yes, you are. Yes, you're brave. Let's do it. Hi, sir. How are you?
Sorry. Hello.
Hello.
Captain.
Watch your step, guys.
Okay.
My name is
Right,
Crash,
stand
and I'll
up.
be your pilot.
Nice.
So while we're in motion, everybody hold on to the handrail.
That's a great name for a
You
pilot.
may feel a little bit of motion here, guys. So hold on.
Here we go, buddy. You ready?
What are you? Okay.
Don't worry, I haven't lost anybody this week.
Woohoo!
That's a good week then. I'm not allowed to talk about last week.
Yeah.
The good thing is, all right, guys, you're going to feel a bump here. Now we're going to go up a little bit faster.
Yeah. Woohoo!
One more little bump. Now you can let go.
Now you can let go, buddy.
Or you can stay where you're at and be a member of the White Knuckle Club.
I like the white knuckle club.
What's the white knuckle club?
It means you're holding on for dear life.
There's the boathouse.
I'm holding on for dear life. Yes. Okay, never mind. I'm not scared of this anymore.
Good, I told you you wouldn't be.
Look! It's one of those cars!
Yeah, those are the cars.
That's true.
Right up now. There's Saratoga Springs.
That I
Look at the Ferris wheel all the way in the background, Ryder.
Yeah, I see it. It's so far away.
And look, I can see Universal Studios. I see the roller coasters. See the roller coasters all the way back there between those two?
That's the Hulk, right?
I think so.
Yeah, I think it's the Hulk. I see the two waves.
There's Saratoga.
Hey.
Oli, edike. Oli, edike. Oli. Right.
Ryder, I can see Tower of Terror over here. You see him? Tower of Terror's on.
Yep, there it is.
I see Epcot.
Yeah, I see this. I see Spaceship Earth.
All right, guys, you're going to feel a little bump right here.
Ryder, come back over here.
Top.
And we're at the top.
Now, most everything having to do with Walt Disney World and Walt Disney World property of 30,000 acres is all to the west of us.
I'm holding on to
If
deer
you
knife.
are directionally challenged, there's a compass right down the middle.
Oh, okay.
Cool. That way.
Everything's that way.
Can't miss Epcot behind me.
Yep.
Oh, I see the top tier. Oh, that's
Yeah.
Yeah. Look down. See the W for west?
Key West is back there. Ryder, did you enjoy it?
Yes.
Yeah, it wasn't scary, right?
I told you it wasn't scary.
It wasn't scary at all. Okay, let me see it there. Woo! Ryder, look, come here.
Let her go there.
All right, guys, as we get a little bit closer to the bottom down here, we're going to come to a stop. We'll go down to the balloon.
You crash all your hot air balloons, so that's why your name is Crash.
Well,
I felt the
all right, guys, I hope everybody enjoyed their flight.
Thank you so much. This was great.
You're welcome. Have a good day, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you, Crash.
Wonderful day.
Why is there so much?
That was a lot of fun. It was really nice. It's probably really pretty at night. You can't leave the Groupon at night. So Groupon's only good till like 4 o'clock. But it was $61 at the Groupon, so it was great. And Ryder wants a pizza, so we're gonna go get him some pizza at Blaze. And there's the Disney Vacation Club tree. Fun.
I'm just gonna shake, 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 shake. Shake it up, shake it up. Hey, hey, hey. Love your life.
And we just took a picture at the tree, so I'll put the picture here.
The sound of it is something quite atrocious. If you say it loud enough, you'll always sound precocious. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Super cute with Callie with a little Minnie Mouse on top.
Okay, would you like one of those?
Anything else?
Everything here is so pretty.
All right, so Christmas tree pop in a box. I'm 7.
Good job. Good job.
Go for you.
What?
And since everything here's got gluten, I'm having a Prosecco.
The chocolate chiffon cake, the little Mickey is only $9.
Go grab that.
This the Amaretto rose looks really pretty.
Okay, and I'm starting early for today. So we're back on the boat. I'll talk about that in a little bit. But yeah, I plan to be back by 3:15. Oh well, it's a beautiful day, and it's actually a little overcast now, which is nice. Hopefully it won't rain tonight, but the boat is just so nice and relaxing. Okay, so we're back at the resort. The boat leaves every 20 minutes. You know, 3, 3:20, 3:40. However, it starts loading 5 minutes before, so I would make sure you're there 2:55 or 55, 15, or 35 to make sure you get on. Fortunately for us, we were able to get on the first boat. Port Orleans had a lot of people, but yeah, and it was 16 minutes, so got here a little later than we expected, but we had a great day at Disney Springs. I mean, we took all the pictures. We took pictures with Santa, so definitely I would try and get there early. However, just join the queue as soon as you get there. And it didn't look like it was that bad. I don't know what the queue line was, but yeah, it was 50 minutes. It was the exact wait that they said it was going to be, and the pictures were great. We've already seen a little bit of them. They were great. Picked some pictures. We took the Photopass pictures too, so hopefully those will be our Christmas cards. And just a really great day. We got to do the balloon, the Aerophile. Ryder was really nervous. I'm terrified of heights, and it was fine for me. And if you haven't seen my sky jump video from the stratosphere, I'll post it up here. It's like at 1.7 million views, but you will see how terrified of heights I am. This thing was fine because you're enclosed. I felt safe. You know, I know I'm not jumping off or anything like that, so I know I'm safe. I think the only fear I had was like dropping my camera or dropping my phone. But other than that, it was great. It was really nice. It's quick. It's 8 minutes. We got the Groupon. It ended up being $61 for all 3 of us, and it was great. So, you know, all in all, a great day. I'm gonna try and rest. We have about 3 hours before we have to leave to Jollywood Nights. I think this is going to be the first video that I put up for our trip, even though this is our last day. So this is Saturday, November 11th. But we started our trip on Monday, November 6th. So I think this might be a little bit out of order because I want to get the video up regarding Santa so that if other families want to know information about Santa, you can see how we did it. But and then we have Jollywood Nights tonight, so that will definitely be going up really quickly. So with that, if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye everyone.